a great evening and congratulations.
Ms. Johnstone, on behalf of the staff of La Quinta High School, I present to you and hereby certify that the students before you have met, and many have far exceeded, the requirements as set forth by the State of California and the Desert Sands Unified School District for a high school diploma or a certificate of course completion.
Thank you. It is with immense pride as the Assistant Superintendent under the authority of the Desert Sands Unified School District Board of Education that I accept the La Quinta High School class of 2013 and declare on this day, May 30th, 2013, that these students are now graduates.
You may be seated. We will now begin, under the guidance of our counselors and with assistance from our school board members and our assistant superintendents, the presentation of diplomas.
Michael Nelson Finch. Christy Kim.
Estela Sanchez.